Welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation for anxiety relief. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Allow your body to settle. Close your eyes gently or soften your gaze downward. Take a moment to notice your breath, just as it is right now. Place one hand on your chest and one on your belly. Feel the natural rhythm of breath, ing. Now let's begin with some calming breath. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 counts. Hold your breath gently for 2 counts and exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 counts. Let's do this together. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, and release, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Beautiful. Continue this rhythm on your own. In for 4, hold for 2, out for 6. With each exhale, imagine releasing any tension, worry, or anxious thoughts. Notice how your breath naturally begins to slow and deepen. Now, imagine a warm golden light beginning to glow in your heart center. This light represents peace, safety, and calm. Feel it growing brighter with each breath. Let this warm light expand through your chest, melting away any tightness or tension. Imagine these thoughts as clouds passing through the sky of your mind. You are the sky, vast, open, and unchanging. The clouds are temporary. Return your attention to your breath and the warm light within you. With each breath, you feel more centered, more peaceful, more at ease. You are safe in this moment. You are exactly where you need to be. Allow yourself to rest in this feeling of calm and tranquility. Take a moment to appreciate your body for supporting you through difficult moments. Feel gratitude for your breath, your heart, your resilience. You have the strength to handle whatever comes your way. Begin to slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Take a deeper breath. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and return to your day with this sense of calm. Remember, you can return to this peaceful state anytime you need it.